She had so much fun exploring Philippines with all of you last time. She came back to share what she knows about Brazil with all of you again today. You're up, Jen.
Thank you, Renee. I am happy to be back. So aloha, fellow travelers. And with that, let's get ready for an adventure, because today we're diving headfirst into the heart of Brazil. This South American gem is bursting with vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and a contagious zest for life. From the pulsating streets of Rio to the tranquil beaches and the awe-inspiring Amazon, Brazil is a feast for the senses. Whether you're a budget backpacker or a luxury jet setter, Brazil has something extraordinary in store for you. So, pack your bags, grab your dancing shoes, and get ready to samba your way through this incredible country. Trust me, you'll be saying obrigado you joined me on this unforgettable journey. Are you ready to feel the rhythm of Brazil? Let's go. Renee, you're up.
Thank you, Jen. I think I will start with the most common question I get. Renee, can I go to Brazil on a budget? And my answer is absolutely. You don't need a treasure chest to experience the magic of Brazil. In fact, some of the best experiences here are easy on the wallet. When it comes to accommodations, hostels are your new best friend. They're budget-friendly and a fantastic way to meet fellow adventurers. Plus, many hostels offer private rooms if you prefer a bit more privacy. Brazil is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, and many activities won't cost you a dime. Hike to breathtaking viewpoints, relax on world-famous beaches, or join a free samba class. You'll be amazed at how much fun you can have without breaking the bank. Remember, it's all about embracing the local culture and finding joy in the simple things. That's the Brazilian way. Back to you, Jen.
So who is ready to indulge in the finer things in life? Brazil has got you covered. From opulent hotels to exquisite dining experiences, prepare to be pampered like never before. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views from your luxurious suite at a beachfront resort. Picture yourself sipping caipirinhas by the pool, enjoying personalized service, and indulging in rejuvenating spa treatments. Sounds like paradise, right? When it comes to dining, Brazil's culinary scene will tantalize your taste buds. Treat yourself to Michelin-starred restaurants, where renowned chefs create culinary masterpieces using fresh local ingredients. Don't forget to sample Brazil's exceptional wines. You're in for a treat as long as you don't end up on your ass like I did. Remember, sips will creep up before you know it. But 100% provides an unforgettable experience. But you may want to consider a private helicopter tour over Rio's iconic landmarks instead, or a chartered yacht trip along the stunning coastline. Embrace exclusivity and create memories that will last a lifetime. Brazil's luxury offerings are as diverse and captivating as the country itself. Get ready to experience the epitome of indulgence.
I am still laughing. There's never a dull day when Jennifer and any type of alcohol join together. Brazil is a country of staggering diversity, offering a kaleidoscope of landscapes and experiences. Of course, no trip to Brazil is complete without experiencing the electric energy to the vibrant beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. Rio will leave you breathless. Delve into the cultural hub of São Paulo, a city that never sleeps. Explore world-class museums, indulge in culinary delights, and immerse yourself in the city's vibrant nightlife. For a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Cruise along the mighty Amazon River and spot incredible wildlife and connect with indigenous communities. But Brazil's treasures extend far beyond these iconic destinations. Discover the charm of colonial towns like Paraty and Ouro Preto. Relax on the pristine beaches Fernando de Noronha, or witness the raw beauty of Iguazu Falls. With so much to see and experience, your Brazilian adventure will be nothing short of extraordinary.
Until next time, keep exploring So there you have it, adventurers. From budget-friendly thrills to luxurious escapes, Brazil offers something for everyone. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of this incredible country. If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of Brazil, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up for my sister. And be sure to share your dream Brazilian destinations in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I know Renee would love to hear from all of you too. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. It was another fun adventure preparing this today with Renee for all of you. We hope you learned something new and enhances your stay to be that much better. This is Jennifer and Renee closing of with safe travels. And until next time, keep exploring this beautiful world we live in.